Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 77 Wren and Martin हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक. चैप्टर है 11 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. Convert the following simple sentences to complex sentences, each containing an adverb clause. On being punished, he wept. When he was punished, he wept. During Queen Victoria's reign, there were many wars. When Queen Victoria was reigning, there were many wars. Being quite contented, he never grumbled. Since he was quite contented, he never grumbled. Being ill-treated by his master, he ran away. As he was ill-treated by his master, he ran away. He was too dull to understand. He was so dull that he could not understand. The tiger is feared for its fierceness. The tiger is feared as it is fierce. With your permission, I will go away. If you permit me, I will go away. The peon would be quite happy with a rise of ₹100 a month. The peon would be quite happy if he was paid another ₹100 a month. He replied to the best of his ability. He replied as well as he could. I can only tell you according to my memory. I can only tell you as far as I remember. Of Krishna and Rama, the latter works harder. Rama works harder than Krishna does. Owing to ill health, he has resigned. As his health is bad, he has resigned. He was annoyed at being rebuked. He was annoyed when he was rebuked. He cannot be caught on account of his quickness. He cannot be caught as he is quick. He is too lazy to succeed. He is so lazy that he cannot succeed. He came in very quietly to avoid waking his father. He came in very quietly so that he might avoid waking his father. He waited there with a view to meeting me. He waited there so that he might meet me. There is no admission without permission. One cannot be admitted unless one has permission. I will help you in any possible way. I will help you as best I can. Do not go out without leave. Do not go out unless you get leave. In spite of the heat, they marched quickly. Though it was hot, they marched quickly. For all his youth, he is very capable. Though he is young, he is very capable. Till my arrival, wait here till I arrive. After the death of his father, he left Mumbai. After his father died, he left Mumbai. Up to his 13th year, he remained unmarried. Until he was 30, he remained unmarried. From the time of that illness, he has been partly blind. Since he had that illness, he has been partly blind. Previous to his death, he made his will. Before he died, he made his will. In anticipation of sanction, I have issued the order. As I anticipate sanction, I have issued the order. He hindered the police in the execution of their duty. He hindered the police when they were executing their duty. This was done in my absence. This was done when I was absent. For fear of imprisonment, they kept silence. They kept silent lest they should be imprisoned. Notwithstanding my entreaties, he shot the dog. He shot the dog, though I entreated him not to do so. He wrote according to instructions. He wrote as he was instructed. He worked to the best of his ability. He worked as well as he could. Come back at 6 o'clock. Come back when it is 6 o'clock. With every blow on the body quivered. The body quivered every time when a blow was given. Speaking honestly, I do not know. If I am to speak honestly, I do not know. I came today to take advantage of the special train. I came today so that I might take advantage of the special train. He failed to my great surprise. I was greatly surprised that he failed. Till the day of the examination, he did no more work. Till the day of examination arrived, he did no more work. The tiger having fallen, he climbed down from the tree. When the tiger had fallen, he climbed down from the tree. In the time of Aurangzeb, taxes were very heavy. When Aurangzeb ruled, taxes were very heavy. We eat to live. We eat so that we may live. Some people live to eat. Some people live so that they may eat. He has gone down to the river to bathe. He has gone down to the river so that they may bathe. Have you come to see me? Have you come so that you may see me? Does he wish me to go? Does he wish that I should go? तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज. आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई? सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में.